This is the audience.
What is Alzheimer's? Alzheimer's is a disease that takes control of the body and the mind and is a form of dementia. It can progress slowly or quickly. Alzheimer's is known for memory loss in elderly patients. It's a progressive disease that destroys the memory and other important mental functions. Brain cell connections and cells themselves disintegrate and die, eventually destroying memory and other important mental functions. I chose this topic because Alzheimer's has always been an interesting disease to learn about for me. As it runs in my family, I like to learn all I can about this disease. I have family members and close friends of the elderly group that have this disease. I also have family members that have the gene for this disease. I find this disease intriguing due to the fact that it affects the one organ in the body that makes us us. It targets the brain, then it slowly tears away the lifetime of memories. In the future, I hope the medical community makes progress on finding a cure for this dreaded disease in the hopes that it helps families not feel the pain that mine have. My purpose for this topic was to inform my audience the symptoms, changes, and behaviors of Alzheimer's, as well as the causes and risk factors. The three main points I will be talking about today are the symptoms, causes, and risk factors of Alzheimer's. The first main point I will be talking about today is the symptom of Alzheimer's. Memory loss is the most common symptom of Alzheimer's. They may repeat statements, forget conversations, misplace objects, get lost, or forget common close family members. People with this disease will also suffer from a change in behavior. They will have mood swings, social behavior, depression, wandering, and sleep habits may change. The second main point I'll be talking about today is the causes of Alzheimer's. Scientists believe Alzheimer's is genetically passed down. The environment also plays a big role in one of the onsets of this disease. The environment includes not only where you live, but also your lifestyle. The third main point I would like to talk about today is the risk factors of Alzheimer's. Age and family genetics is the most common known risk factor. As aging does not mean you develop Alzheimer's, it does come with a higher risk. Your risk of developing this disease can become higher if you have closely related family members with the gene or the disease. Lifestyle is another risk factor in developing this disease. Poor sleeping habits, smoking or secondhand smoking, lack of exercise, and obesity are risk factors of lifestyle when developing this disease. In conclusion, Alzheimer's is a detrimental disease that affects many family members in today's society. Hopefully, there will be medical advancements in the near future. The main points I talked about were symptoms, causes, and risk factors. The reason I chose this topic is it hits home for me, and I wanted to learn more about this disease by doing this research. I want to leave you by saying thank you for listening to my speech.